What's the meaning of breakout? Breakout. Breakout.
Breakout. Breakout. Breakout refers to a sudden and significant rise in the value or success of something, often unexpected. This term is often used in finance and business contexts to describe a situation where the value of a stock or company suddenly increases. In popular culture, it can also refer to a sudden rise in popularity or fame for a person or trend. A breakout can have a transformative effect on the future prospects of the subject, leading to increased attention, revenue, and success. Overall, a breakout is a highly desirable and sought-after outcome in many fields, and is often a result of a combination of talent, hard work, and luck.